Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background from your images in Canva and then how to get a fully transparent background on your final export, completely free. So I'm already in my Canva project. First thing, go to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Background Eraser and open it. Now choose your image file, the one with the face or subject you want to cut out. Hit Remove Background and let Canva do its thing. Once it's done, your image will appear with a transparent background clean cut. Now drag it into your slide and position it where you want. Then select the old image, the one that still has the background, and just delete it. Now your design has the clean cutout version. Looking good? Now let's export. Click Share at the top right, then Download. Make sure to select PNG as the format very important. Hit Download and save it to your computer. Now open a new tab in your browser and search for pixelcutpro.com. On the homepage, click Upload Image and select the PNG you just downloaded from Canva. You'll see a few AI models to choose from. I recommend selecting the high-quality one for the best result. Now just wait a few seconds while it processes. And there you go. Your image now has a fully transparent background. No white, no edges, completely clean. You can download it as a PNG and use it anywhere: presentations, thumbnails, social media, whatever you need. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick design tips.